Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I've been excited in the past to share with you what I have found, but this week takes the cake. I found some amazing vintage furniture that I'm so excited about, and of course, I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into today's haul. So like I said, I found some furniture and I will share that towards the end, but I also found some other fabulous vintage things this week. Everything I found this week I believe is vintage except for maybe one thing, but it's pretty cool. So we'll just say that it's wonderful as well. Alright, so the very first thing that I found is a vintage fabric calendar. You know the type that people used to hang on the wall? It was $2.40 and I absolutely love the colors in it. It's got red, it's got white, and it's got black. And look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? It's from 1970. Look at that red covered build, or like a, what do you call that? A covered bridge. There we go. And then there's a little boy and he's like fishing with his dog. And then I love the red frame with the calendar in the middle. And of course there on the top it says 1970. And I just think this is so cool. I absolutely love it. I'm going to hang it somewhere in my kitchen if I can figure out where to hang it. I think that will be so much fun. Add a little pop of red to the black and white that I've already got going on in the kitchen. I think it's going to be fabulous. So love that. So the next thing I found was a vintage kids game. I've been on the lookout for a few of my favorites from my childhood that I wanted to decorate with in my office. And I found myself for $1.99 a vintage Care Bear game. Oh, you guys, I'm so in love with this. I loved Care Bears when I was a kid. I thought they were the coolest thing. Like Care Bears and strawberry shortcakes were my jam. I loved them so much. And this is so adorable. It has all the pieces in it. Let me see if I can show you the game board. It's so pretty. Look at the colors on this. Oh my goodness. Does anyone remember this game? We played it a lot when I was a kid. And it still has a lot of the pieces. Like here's the little bear that you spin his little tummy and go the spaces. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Which is kind of silly that it's kind of a silly thing to collect, but I think it is so much fun. I don't know if you guys follow Emily Retro over on Instagram, but she was my inspiration for looking for vintage games because she uses them in her decor as well. And I just think it is the most adorable thing ever. So go check out her channel over on Instagram if you haven't done so already. So anyways, I love this game. I'm so excited about it. The fun thing about it is too that Zoe, my youngest, loves Care Bears as well, and she's like totally saying she's gonna steal it from me, so I gotta hide it. It's kind of funny. But anyways, all right, so moving on to the one item this week that is not vintage. It is a platter. I saw it at the store. It is just a basic old plastic platter, but it is ginormous, and it has this awesome turkey motif on it, which I think is so cool. I absolutely love the colors on it. So I don't know. I think this is really fun. I think it'll be a nice thing to decorate with, and it may even serve my turkey dinner on it. I'm not really sure. But I thought it was really cool. I loved how big it was. Absolutely loved the colors on it. And for $3.99, I was not going to pass it up. Alright, so the next item I picked up was a gorgeous frame. It was $3.99, and it has some artwork in it that is not too shabby as well. Look at that. I absolutely love the frame. I think it is absolutely perfect. And then, you know, it's got like a vintage print inside of it with some like French writing on the bottom, which I cannot read. But I think it's pretty cool. And I love it, and I can't wait to find a spot for it. Alright, so the next thing I found was a adorable, cute little wooden shelf. I paid $4.79 for it. It will most likely get a painting, but I bought it for my bedroom. I thought it would be a cute little shelf to paint up in a bright, cheerful color, and then put some fun little things on it. I really like the detailing on the bottom, and the top, and the sides, and I think it's pretty cool, and definitely worth like the $4 for a nice wood piece like that. So Loving that. All right, so the next thing I picked up was a vintage frame. This thing is amazing. It is super heavy. It was $6.99, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love vintage frames or vintage mirrors, and this one is awesome. Look at the carvings on the top. Isn't that cool? It's got a beveled edge on the mirror itself, and it's like a long, narrow mirror. Like that. I think it probably used to sit on like the top of a dresser or something like that. You can definitely tell from the back that it's rather old, and I just absolutely love it. The color on this is like a minty sort of green color, kind of greenish bluish. I don't really know. It's really hard to tell. It's definitely got like a greenish tinge to it. So I actually kind of like it. So I'm going to leave it the way it is for right now, and we'll see where I can find a spot for it. So the next two items that I have to share with you are furniture items, which I can't obviously hold up for you guys. So the first item I found was a caned chair, like a little side accent chair. I don't know if you guys remember, but a while back I found a little cane sofa that I'm going to put at the end of my bed in my bedroom, and this matches that, except for the fabrics are different. The other one had like a, I don't know, like a brown and, I don't know, some other color. This one has a nice blue, like a mid-tone blue fabric on it, which I actually like. So I'm going to keep that. I'm just going to redo the rest of it. So here is what it looks like. So that is what the chair looks like. I paid $18.39 for that, which I thought was a total steal. And I'm so excited to give it a little makeover, kind of freshen it up a little bit. I'm not sure if it's actually going to go in my bedroom or if I'm going to use it somewhere around the house as like an accent chair. I'm sure it'll probably move around the house, but it may start in my bedroom. So that leads me to my very last item that I found this week. And this one I am super excited about. It is a 3-drawer dresser, which I'm going to be using as a side table. I've been looking for something that's larger for our new house to go next to my side of the bed for a nightstand. And I had the idea of a small, like shortish sort of dresser. And I happened upon one at Goodwill today, and it is absolutely perfect. And someone actually did all the work of refinishing it for me as well. So take a look. So that is the dresser, and I'm absolutely over the moon about it. I think it is so cool. You can't see it in the clip, but it actually does have the little wheels that it sits on, so you can kind of roll it around, which you can't really do on carpet very well. But I like that it's got that little accent on it. It's got all those little extra little details. I love the pulls on it. I actually like the sort of grayish weathered wood on the top. And so I'm just going to leave it the way it is for now. I may eventually paint over the gray parts of it with a different color, probably white or maybe like, I don't know, a red or something like that. But for now, the gray will stay. And I picked that dresser up for $29.99, which, if you ask me, is a very good steal. It's a solid piece of furniture in really good condition, and it looks beautiful. So super thrilled about that, and of course thrilled about all of my finds this week. And like I said, it was a really good week at the thrift stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite piece that I found this week, and of course if you went to the thrift store this week, let me know what you found at your thrift store that has you very excited as well. And I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.